Hello, today we're in Phoenix. Who's going to be interviewed today? Step over here, young lady. Do you have a business? Starting one, aren't you?
I will be starting one very
State your
soon.
name.
My name is Melissa Boyd, and I'll be opening a flower business here shortly that will hopefully service corporate and personal clients.
What's the name of the business going to be?
We're working on that.
You took some classes here a little while ago, and then you returned to finish your studies.
Yes.
How's it going?
I love it. I love it. Certainly, I started slow. Wasn't sure how I'd respond to it, but it's been a great class, and the week class course is definitely worth it.
But a lot of designs there, so that last 4 days is just gets you over the hill, or
Absolutely.
teaches you enough confidence to pull up. And we're doing a wedding today, so that'll get you over your fear of actually doing a wedding.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Well, thank you so much for interviewing.
Thank you.
We appreciate you here. And she's flowerschool101.com.